It is February 10th, quarter to 12. Mama's in labor. Okay, it's probably 5 minutes later and the water just broke, and you can see beginnings of the baby come out here. She's pushing hard. Baby's in dive position. See it coming. A little baby. He's already breathing. The nostrils are already flaring. And you can see the badger face. Or I thought you could see the nostril flaring. Oh, there's the twitching. Baby is coming. Totally natural, unassisted. She's gonna try to gain some strength here. Here it comes. Come on. There you go, Mama. That's a big one. That's a big one. I bet you he's a buck. So there you go. But Mama's done good, unassisted. We're just gonna hang out here and see how she does and see if we got a twin coming, but I don't know. And baby is sneezing, and something interesting, Mama actually suckled her own teat there like she's doing, I guess, to get the plug in the colostrum flowing. That was kind of cool. So you can hear him whimpering, or it whimpering. I haven't checked the sex on it. I'm not gonna mess with anything until everything takes place, because that's one of our goals, is everything natural in the field here. So pretty exciting stuff, and she hasn't stood up at all, so I don't know if we have another one coming, but we're just gonna chill, and I wouldn't doubt if we have another smaller twin coming, but I don't know. We're gonna see if baby tries to stand here, see if we can get that. Let's just see what goes on here. Oh, Mom's gonna try to stand. They're starting to bond here a little bit, but Mom has not jumped to her feet, so I'm thinking twins. I don't know. And now she's licking baby, so she's gonna be a good mama. Oh, she's gonna go ahead and stand up here. There you go. There comes placenta. We'll just have to wait and see. That's the first time she stood during this whole thing, so. Kid definitely looks very big and very healthy. There we go. Gonna get some first standing here. He's trying. Looks like it's a buck. There's a little dangly sack there. Looks like a buck to me, but we're about due for buck. We don't know if Mama's got a twin yet coming or what. She's looking like she might be having some more contractions here, but just gonna let it all play out. Again, it is almost 5 till noon, and we've got one kid on the ground, and Mama has stood up after this for the first time. There you go, he's getting up for the first time. A little unsteady, but up on all 4 feet for the very first time. So this all took place within a 10-minute time span. He's already on his feet, and she's starting to clean him up. So that's pretty good there. Textbook, off without a hitch in the field. Absolutely zero help or intervention. That's a plus resilience and reproduction score there. A little unsteady on his feet. Oh, gonna go right back down. Gotta build some strength. Stimulating herself there. It's all good. Okay, it's about 3 till noon. Not much more time, but little buck's on his feet, and Mama is cleaning the area still. And he's testing out the new world and new legs. He's standing now. Very tentative and gingerly, but he's up on his feet. He's starting to balance, catch himself. There you go. Oh, maybe not so fast. Gonna start cleaning baby up now. Baby is up, swaying around loosely, but Mama's cleaning him, and I think he's already starting to mouth up underneath of her, looking for a teat to suckle. So we're gonna just kind of see if we can see him take a teat for the first time. Tail's wagging. He's looking. He's slowly moving further up underneath of her. He is moving towards her. She has not gone towards him at all. He's on a mission. And I think, oh, he was almost there. He'll probably just stay down now and try to regain strength. 5 after 12, and looks like he is up underneath Mama, and I can't see. I don't want to get too close, but it looks like he's taking a teat, getting. Oh, he's out on the ground. He's not nursed yet. But he's getting close.